knife strapped. It was like this big.
Oh. This might be a lost video. Come on, give it a kiss. Kiss it, kiss it.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I scared the living crap out of me.
Nice.
Yeah, I've cut up my hand on the roof. I've had my leg fall to the roof. Don't go on the roof.
We didn't plan on that one.
No.
Because I just saw a bunch of windows, brass knuckles up there, and I cut my knuckle all the way down to the bone, and I can't move that finger all the way back now.
That's a smart idea.
Yeah, just be careful around here. I've been here like 20 times now.
Okay. All right. That makes
No,
sense.
it's noises is coming from, so it's okay.
Right, right.
I told you I heard someone walking behind me.
Okay, that's fair point. Fair point. I don't know. No.
Is there nicotine?
Yeah, I can have some.
At first, I thought that was Caleb Kine, and I was like, no way is he here too. But like, yo, they're from another shitter, dude. No, this is a different shitter. Where's Dawson go?
Be at their house. Maybe. I don't know.
Where'd you go?
Okay, she must go swing on the tire swing.
See, the only concerning thing with that group is the fact he said something about Nebraska.
They had a big knife strapped. It was like this big.
Oh. Well, this might be a lost video. I love you.
Hey, that's not funny.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No. Daddy dirty.
It's not dirty.
Oh. Okay.
Move.
Okay.
I like it.
We're gonna make it a traditional thing.
Upgrade.
Oh my god, yes.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
What is up here?
Stop. I do not like that noise.
That sounded straight out of a fucking horror movie, Joe.
Yeah. Yo, I need to get that.
Stop.
Here, do that again, but really close to the mic so I can. I'm gonna use that for something.
What? What are you doing there? Dawson, where's your baseball bat?
I'm not gonna get line drive. No. Oh. Jesus God. You f***ing suck, dude. What the f*** was that? I thought that was a ball, bro, not a f***ing fruit. Is that a... Bro, it's like a pear.
I like pears.
You know, I like pears. Come on, give it a kiss. Kiss it, kiss it. Ow. Fuses.
Let me see.
It looks like a fuse.
Yes, that's exactly what it is. I believe.
I believe so.
No, oh Lord.
She had the same idea I did. Why did you f***ing quit? Stop that.
It's over, Anakin.
Oh my.
Let's go.
Badassery.
She said, I am a f***ing head in. plexiglass. Hello guys, are you ready for excitement?
What if I hit one of them in the head?
I'd feel so bad.
Come at war crimes I have.
Whoa.
This is big ass high ground. Everybody. Hi.
Hey.
I have my fun. I'd rather not push my limits and fall. What the hell? Hollow beam. Half-ass beam.
See what I did?
Yeah. You move the bricks.
Whoa.
What the fuck?
Not the dudes.
Not the Jade.
I'm sorry. That was something else.
You sure?
I'm going back down.
Hello?
I'm scared it's gonna break. Excuse me, sir.
And now for my next trick, I'm gonna saw this brick in half.
Oh. Whoa.
Whack. What are you about?
They're back. Are you going?
It's time to start panicking, Anakin.
So you guys finally did the road.
I didn't know that's where it went, but yeah.
Yeah, we already went over there. Have you guys ever been here before?
I've been here once.
I've seen a bunch of lights and cameras.
Do you know how to get like around up there?
No.
I don't plan on going anywhere
Oh, I
else.
was gonna say, if you don't, I can show you the safest way.
I.
If you want, I can show you guys the way up to the White Towers.
Up to y'all.
Yeah. Might as well.
Dawson, do you want flowers?
Hey, I fucking hate you too, asshole.
Flowers are gross.
You're gross. Yep. Oh, you found it. Oh.
Fuck you.
What's up with this thing? I've seen people want to cut their pole up with a completely half on this.
Jesus. Yeah.
But it's cool. I have a picture from down inside. Up there, there's a ladder that goes straight down. Yeah, you can get up here, but
Yeah, that's.
I've been up there before. In the whole floor in there is like that flooring up there with the holes in it, so it like moves underneath your feet. And then there's a ladder in there that goes straight down, and there's no railings around. It's just a hole.
Don't be
It goes
a
straight
nerd.
down.
Huh.
It's sketch. And then over here is the ladder to the other side. And this one actually goes higher up.
Yeah. I don't know about that.
Yeah.
You know.
This roof is almost completely safe. I would just like try to stay up against the sides because the walls are where it's the strongest.
Right.
I'll do it. Come on, let's go.
So I know that you said you've been here like a lot, but
Welcome.
oh, he is coming. Are there any other places in for this shit or no?
There is downtown, kind of over by, do you know, like kind of down the road from JJ's gas station. There's
Okay.
another abandoned building, but that one's hard to get into.
You made it.
Shreddy boy. Ouch. And Skeeter.
Can you come in through that hole?
We
No, we
came
climb
into
over.
where the woods were, where the ladder is.
Mhm.
Yeah, and we used to keep our bikes over there. One time we were like by like 100 feet in, and we heard someone yelling from the woods. These are some nice bikes. I'm gonna steal them. So then we hurry up and run over there. We go over there, and my friend's just like, "Hey, you want a cigarette?" And then he's just like, "Yeah, sure. You're my best friend now. You guys can go in there and do whatever." I was just like,
Oh.
"Okay." Yeah, you gotta go soon. Oh, nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you.
See ya. Be careful.
Do it again.
Yep.
No.
Give it to me.
You were.
Hey, get out of my asshole. Stop.
What are you gonna do about it?
I'm gonna shit on your finger.
What?
That indeed concludes this episode. But we will be back again at some point. So 2 weeks we'll be back. Expect it.